Today, we're going to use these two graphs and the question we were given, the prompt we were given, to figure out why over millions of years the average color of the exact same species of lizard could change from being dominant in one color to a completely different color being dominant. And so originally we're given the fact that there's two, or technically three colored lizards, brown and then light tan and beige, which that one's kind of the same thing, they're the same color. So these lizards live in the desert, and in our original graph here, we're going to do this, and we're going to show that on this axis we have our number of lizards, and on this axis we have our colored lizards. These two are both brown, they're the same thing, so that they're just for the point of the graph, they're going to be two browns, they're going to be the same thing. So the graph is going to show that you can see right in the middle there's a huge spike, and that means that the light tan or beige has the highest number of lizards are going to be light tan or beige, which means that's obviously a dominant trait, and it obviously has an advantage over the brown ones. Looking at it, we can see that if you're a brown lizard at this time, you're weird, you're odd, you're probably not the best fitness level. There's a reason that this light tan and beige is so dominant. But now in our desert, we're going to say something in the environment changes, something in the air causes the sand to become a darker color. It's going to become no longer light tan or beige, but maybe more of a brown color. You might see where we're going with this. But now we're going to flip the graph over here. So now in the middle, we have brown and we have beige and light tan. So with this new environment, obviously, these lizards, they want to blend in. That's what made these light tan or beige ones better than the brown ones in the beginning. They blended in better. But now that the sand has changed, they need to adapt. And so these brown ones, the ones that are now going to have a higher fitness level, those are going to be the ones that are going to have kids. And slowly but surely, over millions of years, the average or the normal of these lizards is going to be brown. And then over here, we just have beige and light tan. They're the same thing. These two graphs, they're the exact same, but we've switched what's in the middle, what's considered the normal, and we've switched that with the more extreme outside. So this shows that our original here, our original, and our new, we can see that since the environment changed, since these brown lizards now had a distinct advantage over, or distinct phenotype advantage that had a clear trait that was better than light tan and beige ones is now. And that answers our question as to a plausible reason as to how it happened, as well as showing with our two graphs that the normal or average population changed from a light tan or beige phenotype to a brown phenotype.